Hello, AMC students. Sorry I couldn't be with you the last day before spring break. I hope you have a wonderful spring break, and we'll have a couple videos throughout the lesson here going through the slides and the activities. So welcome back. We're doing logarithmic functions. I'd like everybody to pause the video here, take about 2 minutes working on evaluating these expressions. So please pause. So now you had a few minutes to think about it, and I'll just go over what the different answers are. And I hope you can see a connection between the left and the right side. 2 to the third power is 8. 5 to the third power is 125. 1/2 to the third power is 1/8. 1 raised to any power is 1. Any number raised to the 0 power is also 1. 0 and 1 are really important numbers to think about. And on an answer key recently, on a quiz, I actually mixed up. I wanted it to be the first power. I wrote the 0 power because I was thinking, oh, something raised to the 0 power is 1. So it's something that's easy to mix up when you're going quickly. So you just want to slow down and really think about it. Now, when you look at log is the inverse. So it swaps the two different numbers there. So log base 2 of 8 is 3 because it takes 3 2's to make 8. Log base 5 of 125 is 3. Log base 1/2 of 1/8 is 3. Log base 1 of 1 is actually undefined. Why? I don't know what power it was. It could have been 1, 2, 3, 4. It could have been 57. It could have been negative 300. Because 1 raised to any power is equal to 1, I can't define an answer for the logarithm. I can, however, when it's log base 17.5. That's 0. Regardless of the base, if you're doing the log of 1, you'll get 0. Okay, moving on just a little bit to the third slide. Again, I want you to pause, about 2 minutes of think time here. How do the expressions on the left relate to the expressions on the right? And how would you explain how to calculate a logarithmic expression to a middle school student? So no fancy language. Think about exponent or power or base. How can you use those words in a way? So please pause, come back in about 2 minutes. And now that you're back, I hope you can see how the left and the right are inverses of each other. Okay, so when you have an exponent on the left, something like a raised to the x equals b, you can invert that and get log base a of b equals x. Notice that the base of a is always on the bottom. And the way that I usually explain logarithms to younger students is I just say, replace the word log with the words what power of. So log just means what power of. So for example, if I had log base 5 of 25, I would replace that with what power of 5 is 25, and I would get 2. So I'm going to stop this video here, and I'll pick up with another video in just a second.